hi everyone, I'm Vinita, and so I came up with like the idea of this video because firstly I really enjoy film photography and I wanted to take it a step further in sharing it with my friends. So I usually would do so by like taking photos of my friends, then I'll send them the developed ones so that they can kind of enjoy film together with me. But I thought that maybe it would be more impactful to like for them to see their own creations and also to prompt them in their own reflection and thoughts in this journey. So this was basically how the video started, and a lot of time and effort was put into coordinating and filming and editing this video. So like shout out to Kelly, Caitlin, Yufeng and Jane. And it's also my first time editing a complete video, so please be kind and understanding about the many flaws in this video. Lastly, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy it or even learn something from it. If you've been wanting to try film photography for a while now, perhaps you can take this video as a gauge to start now. So thanks again and bye! Oh, nice. Here you go.
Thank you.
First person is Kelly. How do you feel?
Excited but also quite scared because it's my first time using a film camera. I don't know how fragile it is, but I'm excited because I want to see the end product.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Hi guys, so I just finished the challenge and I'm passing it on to Kate. So Vinita is late, she's asked to do this part, but since she's not here, I'll just go ahead and say like how I felt about the challenge. Honestly, I just think it's been super fun. It's been, I think, 4 or 5 days with the camera and it's a friend now, I guess. 5 shots? Yeah, okay. I'll be passing it to Kate now. So how do you feel about it?
Firstly, I didn't even know I was supposed to be part of this thing until like last night at like 1 AM. So it was kind of a shock, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah.
Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's go.
How was your first time shooting film?
I think it's my first time, so it was like a bit hard to do some of the stuff like pressing the shutter and the flash at the same time. But it was quite fun also because the idea of film is that you cannot just like spam photos because there's only like a few shots. So it was like you really have to be quite careful when you press the stuff.
So what do you think of the challenge? Like how do you do?
Because there's only like 5 shots, right? So like normal film is like 30 plus, I think, but then 5 is like even more limited. So you really have to, it made me really like think carefully about what I wanted to take. Yeah, so that I wouldn't waste my shots.
Nice. Thank you. Yay! So, 你对这个挑战有什么想法？
我觉得这个挑战还蛮新奇的，就是因为现在大部分那些什么挑战啊，那些什么画图挑战什么，都是发起都是在 Instagram 上面的。然后我觉得可以回到比较古老怀旧的，用这种相机进行一种就是这种挑战，我觉得是还蛮新奇啊。我以前没有做过这种挑战。
所以你第一次用这种旧款的相机，你感觉如何？
就是用这种旧款相机会让我想到，就是在我很小的时候，大概什么幼稚园、小学的时候，我爸其实也都是用这种 胶卷的这种相机去拍的。然后但是后来就是我自己在拍照，就是我爸有给我相机怎么拍照之类的，就是但是我都已经是用那种数位相机，所以就是还蛮怀旧的吧，我觉得。
OK，
谢
谢谢。所以你完成这个挑战之后，你有什么感想？
我觉得感想主要是，就如果我平常在生活中，我不会特别去注意有哪些是漂亮的地方，或者是之类，但是就是我在拿着这个照相机的这一段大概1-2个礼拜的过程中，我就会在这1-2个礼拜特别去注意有哪一些地方是比较值得拍摄，就会有点像是让我发现生活中的一些美的地方，我平常不会发现的。
So the fourth person is Jane.
Excited to use this because I've never used film before. I'm nervous that I'll pick the wrong one, but yay! I'll try my best.
Start. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so Jane, what do you feel about this challenge?
I think it was interesting to like try to capture everyday, like daily life things, and it was quite hard, honestly, but it was very fun.